Okay, the problem says, what is the percentage concentration of zinc oxide in an ointment prepared by mixing 150 grams of 10% weight-to-weight zinc oxide ointment and 45 grams of 20% weight-to-weight zinc oxide ointment? And round the answer to the 10th place. Okay, so basically we have two products, one with a quantity of 150 grams, another one with a quantity of 45 grams. They have different percent strengths. We're going to combine the two products and uh, determine the resulting percent strength. Okay, so first step is we need to figure out, well, how much zinc oxide is in this first product right here? 150 grams of the 10% ointment. So 10% concentration, that can be expressed as 10 grams for every 100 grams. Okay, and but we need to find out, well, there's 10 grams of zinc oxide for every 100 grams of the product. Well, how much would it be for 150 grams of the product? Well, we're going to do our basic algebra here. Solve for x. We're going to get 15 grams of the zinc oxide. Okay, and then we'll do the same thing for the product that has a quantity of 45 grams. So 45 grams with a 20% concentration. So 20%, we can express that as 20 grams for every 100 grams. And we'll do that. We need to find out, well, how many grams would be in 45 grams. So all right, we'll solve for x in this case. And that would be, so there's 9 grams of zinc oxide in the 45 grams of this ointment here. Okay, so one thing that'll be useful though is, so if we take the sum of the 15 grams and the 9 grams, that'll give us a total of 24 grams. So in our final product is going to have 24 grams of zinc oxide. Now, the final product though, what's the total quantity going to be? So here we have 150 grams and 45 grams, so that's 150 grams plus the 45 grams. We add these together, we're going to get 195 grams. So we have 24 grams of zinc oxide and a total quantity of 195 grams once the two products have been mixed together. So to find the percent concentration in the final product, we'll just take 24 grams, divide that by the 195 grams. And at this point, you're just going to use an algorithm to convert your fraction to a percentage. We could set up a proportion where we say equals x over 100. But the fastest thing to do is just remember, you can go numerator, divide by denominator, times 100 gives you convert your fraction to a percentage. One reason we can do this is the units are what we need here. Weight to weight concentration is always grams over grams. Okay, so 24 divided by 195 times 100, and we're going to round this to the 10th place, you should get 12.3%. Okay. And again, so that's our final answer there. That is the resulting percent strength.